Thanks, Brennan. I love getting hit by rocks.
Ooh, they did some clearing out here. What's going on today, you filthy degenerates? Being here on out. Trying to preserve our bikes. We got, I think, 1 week and we will be in Utah. Riding 5 miles of hell. But raining out. And we got a lot of partying to do this weekend. Well, I do, not Aaron. He's got the kids this weekend, so I'm just gonna leave and go be a degenerate somewhere else. But we figured we'd get some time on the bikes, get some stuff, you know, prepared for Utah and shit, and we weren't sure where to ride. I'm gonna surprise Aaron. We're going back to the ditch. He doesn't know it yet, so hopefully he likes it. I gotta remember how to get there though. Series on this whole thing, this whole trip. I think it'd be cool. I don't know. We got 4.5 GoPros. I say 4.5 because Zach has a 7 and a regular, like the Hero, but it's like the new improved Hero, and I have the 9, the 8, and the first GoPro ever made. The one that you can't take out of the case. No external or no batteries. It's the internal battery, and it can only hold a 32 gig, and it does like 720 at like 60 frames a second. So it's just trash. So it's not really anything that's good for anything, but so we got 4 good ones anyways. I wish we could have the 5th good one so we could have a GoPro on everybody to see, but we're gonna be so close to everybody, it's not gonna matter anyways. But still, it'd be nice to have everybody's point of view. But so 4 should be enough for 5 guys. 5 guys, burgers and fries. If you want to sponsor us, link will be in the description. Like nothing.
Bald eagles.
Well, basically, best idea I've ever had. Let's go ride the ditch in the rain. It's already slippery. That one took my arse end. Can't hit these with any power, apparently. Make it? I finally got him. High five.
Thanks, Brennan. I love getting hit by rocks.
It was I look back at my bike is literally beeline right for you. I'm like,
You did it so purposely.
perfect opportunity.
I felt it. I was laughing.
I don't know if you guys noticed I didn't make it there. Are those pallets just for anyone? Holy hell. Holy fuck.
Man, that's intense, huh?
Yeah, a little bit. Whew. Okay, so basically, your best bet, your best bet's gonna be to like pivot turn like 45 degrees, come right here and go straight down there. Well, that's the hard route. If you want to go the easy route, pivot turn like 52 degrees, go up here, and that big rock right there, it looks like if you just jump off of it, it goes right to the trail.
I don't need to do a pivot turn.
Yeah, you need to do a pivot turn, Zach.
I'll do a pivot turn. A little bit rocky there.
That was way easier than the other way.
Oh yeah. That seemed pretty easy. Yes!
You suck.
Well guys, we've been out here for a while practicing pivot turns. We're probably gonna head back. It's been raining. got body slammed. That was a big
But I think I'm gonna leave off there. It's raining, so I don't want to be inside kind of ride video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button. I don't do stuff. I don't know, send us pictures. But till next time, peace.